Hello guys, welcome to Daily Dose by Finity. The biggest gift that any parent can give their child is to teach them how to handle money. And sadly enough, this isn't a part of their school curriculum. We bring you 5 simple actionable tips on how and what to teach your kids about money. 1. Teach where the money comes from. Explain to your children the concept that money is associated with some kind of work. It doesn't come out of dad's and mom's wallet or ATMs just like that. 2. Emphasize why budgeting is important. Show your kids how money is split among various needs and wants at home. Using envelopes for putting money aside for various categories might be a good idea for kids to understand budgeting. 3. Encourage them to save money. Show kids how you save money from your income. Encourage them to develop this habit by using piggy banks, jars, etc. Let them spend on small treats from their pocket money and save up for their toys, games, etc. 4. Show them how money grows. Show them how the money in the wallet remains the same, but the amount deposited in a bank grows. Talk to them about different avenues where you invest. 5. Involve them in daily financial activities. Talk to your kids about simple financial concepts like interest, loans, credit cards, and make them understand the workings. Teens and adolescents could be allowed to handle online purchases, operate their own bank accounts, etc. Most importantly, children learn well when led by example. Be a good model yourself and be open about how you manage your finances. Hope these points help. For more tips like these, follow our YouTube channel and Instagram page. Happy investing!